I know you have seen so many rice sticks recipes on different social media platforms, but have you for once think how delicious rice stick would taste if we make it Nigerian way? And just like we have native jollof rice, we can also have native rice stick. Or what do you think? Do you think it will bang? Anyways, I've tried it and it's so yummy. And if you also want to try it, let's get started. For your pepper mix, you'll be needing Scotch bonnet and red bell peppers. In Yoruba, that's Tatashe and Rodo. Slice the Tatashe like this and rough blended the Scotch bonnet pepper. Next on our ingredients list is cow skin, popularly called Ponmo. You can also slice that up to look like this. Our next ingredient is Panla fish. We all know the aroma this fish brings to the table. So yummy. Shred and make it look like this. I also added grilled catfish to the recipe. If you are familiar with this fish, you know that it is a game changer. Also shred the fish into pieces just like the others. Our protein list is not complete without cow meat. This has been boiled to be soft and tasty. And finally, these are the two odogu ingredients that changes everything. Without them, we can't have native rice sticks. So let's get started, shall we? Light up your gas cooker. Place your pan on it and add your red oil into it. When it gets a bit hot, now is the best time to add your boiled meat to fry. This will make your meat more tasty and crunchy. You can now stir